All right, thank you so much for that warm introduction. So good day, everyone. I am Axcel Gonzales, System Sales Consultant of CIM Technologies Incorporated. And on behalf of our company, I would like to thank DOST ITDI and AMSEN for giving us this opportunity to present and promote our 3D printing solution here at the ASEAN Conference on Additive Manufacturing. And on your screen is our main agenda for today's time slot. So we will be talking about why SLA is the best choice for your 3D printing application. But before we proceed to our main topic, let me give you a brief background about our company, CIM Technologies Incorporated. For years, we have worked alongside top manufacturing and AEC companies, as well as tertiary schools and universities in promoting the use of computer-aided design, computer-aided engineering, computer-aided manufacturing, product data management, and project management solutions. In fact, we are now on our 32nd year in providing technology solutions from software to hardware. More than that, we are also offering training, technical support, and other expanded services for the AEC and manufacturing industries. So let me discuss our offerings quickly. So here are the manufacturing solutions that we are offering. From 3D design and simulation, wiring and control system, PCB design, finite element analysis or CFD analysis, 3D printing, CNC programming, design and document management, bill of material management or product cost management, and process execution or service lifecycle management. Aside from software, we are also accepting product design and development. So if you are interested to any of our solutions and services, please let us know. We are also offering trusted work large format printers and plotters powered by HP and industry-leading fixed and mobile workstation by Dell. And we also have great news as we are now officially partnered with Formlabs in providing 3D printers that enables professionals like you to precise 3D models from small to large print. Scale your prototyping and production with high-resolution parts at a fraction of a cost. And in case you have problems with your maintenance side, so we can offer to you our IT services such as maintenance agreement and preventive maintenance for HP plotters and printers, diagnosis and repair, network design layout, network cabling, network configuration, and system or network administration services. We also have our service division, Altion 3D, to provide you our expanded services such as 2D drafting, large format scanning, printing and plotting, 3D BIM services, prototyping, product design, and many more. So you may visit www.altion3d.com to see other service offerings. And lastly, we also have our training division, which is the Stanford IT Learning, to provide you basic to advanced training and education in the field of AEC, manufacturing, and power and utilities industries. So the good news is that our trainings are now available online and you can pay through the website as well. So if you want to learn the newest 3D printing as well as CAD technologies, you can learn it from Stanford. So there you go. So we are humbly presenting to you our partners for the solutions and services that we are offering. Please feel free to let us know should you have any requirements you think we can provide. And all right, so thank you for knowing about our company. So now I would like to share a brief background of the 3D printing solutions that we are offering, Formlabs. So Formlabs create a reliable and accessible 3D printing system that for professionals like you. To share with you, Formlab was started on 2011 at MIT Lab, where they designed and developed Form 1. And 4 years, Formlab strived further to develop and improve their technology, which led to the development of Form 3 and Form 3L. Up to the Biomed compatible printers, which are the Form 3B and Form 3BL. And for you to know why Formlabs SLA printers are the best choice for your 3D printing, please watch this short video.
Even further, introducing the Form 3 and the Form 3L. We've redesigned the print engine to make a leap forward in reliability and print quality, using linear illumination and a flexible tank to turn liquid resin into flawless prints. We call this low-force stereolithography. an advanced form of stereolithography that balances high detail and high speed. Use your time more efficiently with a printer you can trust to deliver results. Easily add printers to keep up with demand, and take advantage of an ever-expanding range of functional materials for rigorous testing and production. Collaborate across teams and locations as your business grows by starting prints remotely and moving through a shared print queue. Low-force stereolithography was developed to scale. Now easily print large, detailed parts in-house with the Form 3L.
And that's it. All right. So I hope that the video excites you to learn more about Formlabs. And now, without further ado, let me turn over the floor to our Senior Applications Engineer, Engineer Enrico De La Paz. Sir Eric?
All right, thank you, Axcel, for the exciting Formlabs introduction. And thank you, DOST AMSEN, for inviting us here at ACAM 2021. And now, without further ado, let's start. Formlabs 3D printer are the most advanced, affordable, and industrial-level quality desktop SLA 3D printers ever created. Formlabs expanding access to digital fabrication, so anyone can make anything. So what is SLA? SLA stands for Stereolithography Apparatus. It is the technology with Formlabs started, and yes, for more years they strive to make it more efficient and reliable. So what is the difference between SLA and FDM? FDM is the well-known technology which has the concept of a stick glue and a glue gun. While the SLA uses a high-powered laser that solidifies photopolymer liquid resins and which make the printed output stronger with industrial grade and strength and quality. The Form 3 and Form 3L is the next generation of industrial 3D printing using low-force stereolithography. The Form 3 can print up to 5.5 by 5.5 by 7.3 inches by length, width, and height with the use of one laser power. While Form 3L can print up to 7.9, 13.2 and 11.8 inches and uses two laser powers simultaneously moving for faster printing process. Okay, what is LFS or low force stereolithography? No? Low force stereolithography is the best described as SLA successors. In this case, it uses a flexible tank and a linear illumination to transfer liquid resin into new pristine parts. Okay, what is flexible tank? No? Flexible tank reduces print forces to deliver high quality and printer reliability for more successful printout. Internal testing shows up to a 10 times reduction in film forces due to the flexible film of the tank. As you can see, the film bounces when the build platforms moving up. Right? How the flexible tanks impacts you. One is incredible surface finish, and two, faster cleanup and finishing. First, we tackle incredible surface finish. As you can see here in this photo, Even it is printed using a 100 microns or 0.1 mm, there are less visible layer lines. For clear materials, the smooth surface finish and better layer registration allows clearer and translucent parts. Here's a pump housing printed on the Form 2 versus Form 3. And next, how faster and finishing. The new light touch support set out to address this common frustration. This new support structure uses very small touch point to enable easy removal with minimal supports marked left behind. So when the part is removed from the supports tends to stay a single part. As you can see, 4 times less support materials left behind, less time spent post-processing, and less forced sanding. You can see the difference between the touch point of 0.6 to 0.3 mm. And now we will discuss the light processing unit. The custom-designed light processing unit inside the printer uses a compact system of lenses and mirror to deliver accurate, repeatable prints. The LPU achieved a crisp, clean laser spot through several enhancements. The laser beam passes through the spatial filter to catch any stray light and series of mirrors to ensure the beam is always delivered perpendicular to the print plane. This XY resolution of 25 microns describe how precisely the printer can draw in the XY plane, resulting to more accurate print parts, fine features, and less post-processing. The linear path of the laser ensures that the fine details such as holes, embossed text, and small feature print with sharp edges is visible, as you can see in this sample image. Advanced material design to deliver beautiful result. Here is the overview of our Sla Materials Library. We have option from general prototyping, dental, and biocompatible, jewelries, and the wide range of engineering resin. Standard resin capture astonishing details without sacrificing strength, custom formulated to deliver the highest quality output. Biomed resin for experimental and biomedical application. Dental resin for production-ready solution that scale your dental laboratory and orthodontics application. Castable resin, high accuracy 3D printing materials for jewelry manufacturing. These engineering resins are formulated to help you reduce cost and iterate faster. Each engineering material has their own specialties depending on your requirements and application. Finally, our post-processing equipment, form wash and form cure. Form wash is the automated cleaning machine. Simply set the appropriate time and let the form wash do their job with the use of 90% to 99.9% isopropyl alcohol or IPA. Form cure is an advanced heating system precisely controls curing temperatures up to 80 degrees Celsius. It is designed to maximize the material properties and bring parts to their maximum mechanical properties like engineering materials or engineering liquid resins. And now, kindly watch this video of Formlab's application that can help combat COVID-19.
All right. In this video, Formlabs has been working with medical companies around the world to help combat COVID-19. And it is by printing swab kits, which is used to detect COVID-19.
We're going through right now that human ingenuity and the spirit of collaboration find their most fertile ground, allowing all of us as one people to work together to push through, push forward, and thrive.
Some companies are already making face shields, test swabs, and medical gowns. Formlabs in Somerville is 3D printing diagnostic swabs.
And there's a company called Formlabs, and I found out yesterday they're capable of producing 1 million swabs a week with these 3D printers.
Ohio State then started working with 3D manufacturing company Formlabs in Toledo. Very soon, the first order of 15,000 3D printed swabs for COVID-19 test kits will be delivered to be shared in partnership with our Department of Health, allowing more people to be tested.
That's why we would like to thank our thousands of users, partners, and friends for the incredible hard work, dedication, and personal sacrifices that have been and will continue to be made, helping make the world a healthier and safer place in the fight against this global pandemic.
To know more how Formlabs can revolutionize your manufacturing process, please feel free to let us know. Kindly visit at the back for more questions about Formlabs and Formlabs printer. You can see here at the back of your stage. All right. On behalf of our company, CIM Technologies Incorporated, thank you for joining us today, and we hope to see you again next time.